Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri ke Sarkar Jela Urakam E Sangma Haga khandru tu kena pra aratar phosau ulong bakalong ke ek bas ngausi banyo I bikin hon shit nyam kin pinmi ikin tin berngam bersen kini gajingken tho jong rakam kalong hadin ba ka kutumba suraksha parishan kala berngam ban khangdam yaki surak ke penyeso ya ke Jela Meghalaya ba ke Jela Assam halo gajingken no bakala khang menle nyam hakra mo jimbun ke badan hakashna Mawsynram Hakjing keramik kelap patai kubol rakam ia sangma. Ulong kamut batang Lada Leit Blei Mawsynram oniyo ke Jingkyrkhu bar ula benrap syuk daga boong bakam dan jinga PRAA Lada Blei Mawsynram dan ia ban Blei Jingkyrkhu Henry Blei hi udan lut hakanu ke Jaka.
Any religious group never trade, and they are not what they call the proper group to give such. This is unfortunate. Look, religion existed. Any religion is for the peace. We worship God for peace and harmony for the individual, for the family, and for the community, right? So I think as a religious group treating like this does not sound good. That's not a good message, and they are not to be a real, a religious group to be friendly. So with this particular issue is concerned, so yes, there's a local issue. There may be a local sentiment. They should respect it. So worshipping doesn't mean only in Mawsynram they will get blessing. No. We want to worship God. Worship at your home. Worship at your nearby. You have a great mandils in Assam, in your nearby home. So worshipping their God in Mawsynram doesn't make you and him difference, right? God is omnipresent. So means if you really worshiping the God, worship at your home. You have the temple. Build your temple at home. So this is what my so this is not the correct and doesn't sound good also to give such kind of what you call threatening here and there.